Hello everyone. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, joining it with the rubber band, and then we are going to move it upwards and applying the spin. Next we are going to divide all of the hair into 3 parts and then passing it and holding it with a pin only. We are going to take hair from both the sides and joining it to the opposite direction, then taking the remaining untied hair, applying a rubber band on them and then folding it inwards into a shape of a low bun, and you can see it's ready. Next we are taking a ponytail and underneath it we are going to apply the spin. After that we are going to take all of the remaining hair and then using this rubber band and a clip we are going to fold it into a voluminous bun. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then we are going to apply the spin underneath it, then taking all of the remaining hair, folding it out with the help of this black pin. Next we are going to take a pony, we are going to loosen it up, then applying the spin underneath it to the one side. After that taking all of the hair we have left with the ponytail, applying a rubber band at the middle and then using the spin for folding it out into a bun. Next we are going to take all of the hair and then by using our finger we are going to fold them together into a long shape bun, you can say, and then applying the spin for holding the hair.